Amazon is handing you free customers, but only if you use this hidden promo tool. I just ran an abandoned cart campaign on this new tool, and what it's called is brand tailored promotions. One of our clients made $13,000 in extra sales just running this promotion, and it's free to run. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into advertising. You can see it says new. It's not new. Nobody just talks about it, but it's called brand tailored promotions. You're going to click create a tailored promotion. And then you can put your brand name in and click new customer acquisition or customer retention, re-engagement, cross-sell, right? So new customer acquisition, you're going to acquire and convert customers interested in your brand. So Amazon already knows what customers are interested in your brand. Pretty much what they've done is they clicked customers who have added any of your brand products to their cart. This is literally one of the only ways to retarget Amazon customers who added your product to the cart, then decided not to buy. Maybe it was too expensive, but they added your product to the cart in the last 90 days. Look at this, 1,736 people. Imagine just converting 10%. That's an extra huge amount in sales depending on how much your item costs. So you can run a huge promotion for this, which is big. And right now it doesn't cost any money. All you have to do is give a discount, obviously, but it doesn't cost any money to actually run these types of promotions, which is phenomenal. And the crazy part is so many people aren't doing it. Now, tailored promotions can combine with other unrestricted promotions, deals, and coupons. If a buyer qualifies for multiple promotions, the best value promotion will apply. So you can run multiple promotions at the same time, right? Now you can just do the promo name. You have to give a minimum of 10% discount. So that's going to be the only cost. You give your budget, so that way it depends on how much you want to give away or how many people want to collect. Promotion date, promotion end date. And then what Amazon's going to do is put this promotion in front of those customers to help you get more sales. It's like free advertising in front of those brand cart abandoners. And this is going to make a difference because you know they want the product. They added it to the cart. Maybe it's just too expensive. They're waiting for payday. They're waiting for the price to go down. And this is their time to buy. Now, before you do this, you definitely want to make sure your listing is completely optimized. And right in our description, we offer a free listing audit where we're going to audit your listing and literally tell you what your top competitors are doing and how to improve your listing. Because if your listing looks better, is better than the competitors, then this brand campaign is going to do so much better. So just keep that in mind. Make sure your listing is optimized before you're just running all these campaigns, or else they're not going to work. Next, there's also customer retention. So improve customer loyalty and retention by engaging your existing customers. So customers who are already bought from you, right? So you can see promising customers. We've almost got 2,000 in this category. Customers who purchased recently, buy occasionally, and spend above average. In order to convert to a loyal customer, encourage purchase through marketing engagement. So this pretty much helps you get in front of promising customers, right? People who usually spend more on Amazon, people who buy occasionally on Amazon. These are great customers that you know that have the money. So you can put the product in front of them. Another great opportunity. Re-engagement, win back lost and churned customers. So customers from your brand's promising audience who are predicted to spend less with your brand, you can try to target them. Customers who haven't purchased recently nor frequently with varied spend, at-risk customers can be engaged through discounts, promotions, and incentives. And we've got cross-sell. So if you want to try to cross-sell some of your products, you can also do that. So complementary products remarketing, customers who purchase products complementary to selected products in the last 30 days. Again, usually running these types of campaigns, you have to actually spend advertising dollars. This one, Amazon puts it in front of the customer for you. So a great opportunity to get ahead. Definitely try these out. And like I said, we did this recently for one of our clients and they made an extra $13,000 in sales. Can't complain with that. That's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with anything mentioned in this video or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. One of our most popular services is our full Amazon account management service, we're coming in, we're running these promotions for you. We're managing your inventory, handling your customer service, ads, contacting Amazon for you, and most importantly, growing your sales. It's all about helping you work on your business, not in it every single day. We're going to be working on your business 7 days a week, 365 to make sure your sales are increasing. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.